Peru's pocket history. The 1 Sol Moxica ceramic commemorative. A tribute to ancient Peruvian art. Peru has long utilized its national coinage as a vibrant canvas to celebrate its rich, pre-Columbian heritage. The 1 Sol commemorative coin featuring Moxica culture ceramics is a prime example, serving as both legal tender and a miniature piece of history. This particular coin belongs to the popular, Peruvian pre-Columbian ceramics series, a collection issued by the Central Reserve Bank of Peru, Banco Central de Reserva del Perú, to honor ancient artistry. The primary aim of the series is to bring the artistic masterpieces of ancient Andean civilizations out of museums and directly into the hands of the public, fostering national pride and awareness. The selection of the Moxica design is deliberate, highlighting one of the most enduring and sophisticated artistic traditions of the Peruvian North Coast. The legacy of the Moxica culture. Flourishing from approximately 100 to 800 AD, the Moco Moxica culture is renowned for its incredible skill, particularly in metallurgy and pottery. Their ceramics were not merely decorative, they functioned as detailed historical records, illustrating everything from complex rituals and daily life to mythology and detailed portraiture. The 1 Sol coin depicts a specific Moxica ceramic design, often characterized by distinctive geometric lines and vivid figures, faithfully rendered in the coin's metal. This intricate image symbolizes the cultural depth and advanced technical skill that the ancient civilization managed to preserve across millennia. Numismatic specifications. Issued as a circulating commemorative, the coin holds a face value of 1 Sol. Its intended use is to circulate alongside standard currency, ensuring the widest possible distribution of this cultural message. The coin is typically struck in nickel brass, an alloy of copper nickel zinc, giving it a distinctive golden tone and a robust feel, with a standard diameter of 25.5 millimeters. The obverse side of the coin adheres to tradition for Peruvian coinage, featuring the majestic national symbol, the Peruvian coat of arms, framed by the issuing bank's name. On the reverse, the main focus is the detailed depiction of the Moxica ceramic, accompanied by the inscription, Cultura Moxica Ceramica Precolombina, and the large face value, 1 Sol. Bridging past and present. By minting coins like this, the Central Reserve Bank of Peru ensures that the remarkable artistic achievements of the Moxica culture continue to be recognized and celebrated, effectively connecting modern Peruvians with the brilliance of their ancestors, one coin at a time.